Hey guys, I'm out in the garage here doing some plumbing. A few years ago, when I did all this plumbing, a lot of people laughed at me for using all these 90s, saying that it restricts flow and this and that. My goal was to keep it nice and neat so that I could put a cover over it, which I'll probably never do. But anyways, when those lines are cold, they're nice and straight. Everybody said that I was nuts for putting all them 90s and clamps on everywhere. They say you should use these stupid fucking things here. They look retarded to me. I got more water pressure here than most houses for sure. And I got no problem with flow. The boiler's in my garage and I'm heating the house 70 feet away, probably a couple 100-foot run. Anyways, I come out this morning and this line here is pissing water up into my electrical supply. And so I went under the house and turned off the valve. Should have had more valves in here, but I don't. Anyways, I'm gonna take it off at this joint here. And I'm gonna cut it just past the leak and put another 90 in it. And none of these failed. None of them leaked. I threw a couple shark bites in there. None of them failed. None of them leaked. Everybody complained about them too. This fucking thing. Like, look at them. Stupid. These here, like I say, garage is 24 feet that way. The lines go down 6 feet underground, over 20 feet, up 6 feet, then around the whole house. Flow is not an issue. My house is warmer and I got more water pressure than probably everybody's. And with a million 90s, no leaks. This thing here leaks. You gotta buy 2 clamps and one of these for fucking $5 or something, so nobody wants to buy them. They want to buy these 97-cent pieces of shit. That's the only problem with this. Yeah, so I got that cut off down here at the valve. I have to get that clamp off later. Over here where we can see. There's no way in hell these pipes ever froze. That just failed. I was in behind the electrical box. The liquid was coming out of the water coming out of my electrical box. And no way anything hit it or anything else. That failed. What is this piece of shit? I'm thinking you could fucking shape that with a heat gun. Be more effective than that. I'm gonna cut right next to it and see if there's any evidence. You can definitely see something right there. See it? And if you see on this side, there's the match to it. And you can also see it's very similar to what's happening on this side where I'm bending it. I failed from bending it. That's my fucking conclusion. 100% it is. I got a new piece here. Well, it's the same stuff I saved from when I did this. To be fair, I'm not the guy that did the bends. I used the elbows. I'm just gonna cut a piece of that and stick her in place anyways.